Some people think we're in the freight management business. Some think we're just a broker. Others know us as logistics experts, responsible for the smartest supply chain solutions around. But really, we're in the business of connection. We connect every part of your supply chain, turning the logistics maze into a freeway. We connect your disparate, hard-to-manage silos using a drag-and-drop platform that's so easy, it feels like magic. And when you connect with us, you'll be connected to the freshest minds in logistics, people dedicated to unlocking your power, specialists who transform impossible problems into competitive advantages. Connect with us and you won't just be able to see the future. You'll be able to shape it. You'll be unstoppable. You'll win. Redwood, connect to win.
Hi, how's everybody doing? I'm Eric Rempel, the Chief Innovation Officer for Redwood Logistics, and alongside me is John Pattison, our Senior Innovation Architect. And today we're very excited to demo version 2.0 of RedwoodConnect. It's our cloud-native, enterprise-scale, no-code integration platform as a service. And with version 2.0, we're evolving this from an internal tool to a SaaS product offering. So let's log in. So the core question we asked ourselves when delivering Redwood platform services is, how do we enable our services experts to very quickly set up customers without writing a single line of code? How do we do this when requirements constantly change during a project? How do we deliver performant data pipelines at massive scale? And how do we do this with almost zero effort by our customers' IT departments? Well, the answer is it begins with having what it takes to be an enterprise-grade SaaS platform. Things like usability, maintainability, availability, scalability, extensibility, security, all of that stuff is built right into the interface, and no one has to think about it. And that's why we built this no-code integration platform. It enables our services team to focus on innovation and supply chain optimization instead of infrastructure and code. And so this is the culmination of 10 years of connecting our customers to the cloud and going through several top-tier integration platforms and outgrowing them all. We built this for massive scale, but more importantly, we built this to simplify the connectivity process. So what do these boxes do? So what John is doing here is he's actually connecting data which starts with our open API. And we can accept data from any system, any app, any partner, any database, any protocol, any IoT device, anything. And our success teams then listen to our customers as they describe what they want automated. And they tell us where data comes from and where it needs to go to. But not in tech talk, in business talk. They speak logistics, and we keep it simple. And so John is building an example pipeline here. And this single process is building loads in OTM and tendering freight via TransFlow's carrier platform simultaneously. And innovation is just the drag and drop of a box away. When we connect your systems with these pipelines, you end up with a data supply chain. And so what is a data supply chain? Well, an analogy is this. If enterprise systems are warehouses and your data is cargo, our data pipelines are access to unlimited trucks making multi-stop loads, delivering on time in full millions of times per day. So millions of times per day, that's a big number. So let's look at an example and start smaller. Let's look at an outbound load tender process. So John is going to branch this existing pipeline that's already running, and this one sends tenders, right? Traditional process, no big deal. And what he's going to do is he's going to actually add a few more cards. And when he's done, he's going to switch from design mode into monitor mode. It's a way of looking at data in real time. And when he does that, you're going to see these dots moving on the screen. And people ask us, what are these dots? What is this that you're seeing on the screen here going from card to card? Well, we answer, that's data. But that's an abstract concept, and people aren't necessarily sure what that means. So we show them. Here's an example. You click into any process, you go on the example, here's the payload. You can see anything that's going through the system, but that doesn't help. That's just EDI, and showing them XML and JSON, that doesn't help much either. So what we've done is we've added a new class of connectors, like you see here, that are actually visual connectors to show the data, to show what's inside of those boxes. But previously, John also dragged a card called Kepler.gl onto the design canvas. And that's a data visualization tool built by Uber. And what we've done is we've delivered geospatial data analysis just with a drag and a drop to our data pipelines. So what if I wanted to see all tenders around Chicago? What if I want to zoom out and see the Midwest? What if I want to see all tenders in real time as they're actually going through the platform in real time as data streams in? Well, that's what you're seeing here. And Now, while these are simple examples, the real power here is in the possibilities. And simply by dragging that line to a card previously, we're able to generate a new data set, and we can populate literally anything, any system, any app, this mapping application, anything. So RedwoodConnect is the ideal platform for data science. It is our world that we're moving towards now, and it's all of the possibilities that we're exploring. But first, you have to control that data. You have to be able to move it anywhere that you want. So think about what you can do when you control your data. And then think about what it's like to have your integrations and implementations streamlined and simplified by logistics experts with a platform like this. At Redwood, we're betting on Redwood Platform Services not only to create data supply chains for our customers, and that includes shippers, carriers, and 3PLs, but also to help improve our own digital freight brokerage offering. And not only that, but we're partnering with technology providers to connect their customers even faster and to connect them to their systems and to their APIs so they can continue working on their engineering. And so we're bringing Redwood Platform Services to market because we believe in high-value open ecosystems and collaborative innovation. Go to RedwoodConnect.com. We'd love to tell you about data supply chains and how we can help you transform your business. Thank you.